Hello friends! If you're having trouble locating or activating the personal hotspot feature on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will guide you through 10 troubleshooting solutions to fix the missing or grayed out personal hotspot feature. Let's watch the video till the end. The first helpful solution is to check the personal hotspot settings. For that, you need to activate your phone's personal hotspot feature to share its internet connection with other devices through Wi-Fi. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Turn off the Wi-Fi toggle if it is on. Then, go back and tap on Cellular or Mobile Service. Then turn on the toggle beside Cellular or Mobile Data. Now, go back to the Settings page and tap on a personal hotspot. Here, turn on the toggle beside Allow Others to Join. You may see a pop-up saying a personal hotspot is only available over Bluetooth and USB. Select the Turn on Wi-Fi option to enable it over Wi-Fi if your iPhone's hotspot is not detected on other devices. This feature will improve your iPhone's compatibility. That's it. Now, try to connect other devices to your hotspot. If the personal hotspot is missing, grayed out, or not discoverable, check for certain screen time restrictions. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and navigate to Screen Time Settings. Then, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn off the toggle beside Content and Privacy Restrictions. If the issue persists with your hotspot, a second quick solution is to toggle airplane mode on and off. This simple fix can resolve minor software glitches that interfere with the hotspot feature. Additionally, it resets wireless connections and establishes new connections to networks. To do this, launch the Settings app on your iPhone, turn on the toggle beside airplane mode, wait for a few seconds, and then turn off the toggle. Now, turn on your hotspot and try to connect devices. That's it. If you don't find a personal hotspot option in your settings or mobile service settings, the third applicable solution is to contact your carrier and verify your plan. You need a specific plan for hotspot usage. Contact your carrier and verify that your mobile plan supports personal hotspots. Sometimes, the carrier has to allow access to this setting. It usually happens if your phone is locked to a specific carrier. Multiple users reported missing the hotspot option from the iPhone setting after switching to the unlimited plan. Also, you need to check the carrier settings update. Updating carrier settings will update a carrier network and related settings to improve cellular connectivity. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, swipe up and tap on General. Now, tap on the About section. If you see the update notification or pop-up, follow the on-screen instructions to update the carrier. Check and verify your carrier details if you don't notice any notifications or pop-ups. However, if your carrier does not turn off your hotspot, follow the fourth functional solution: turn off and on mobile service or cellular data. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone to temporarily turn off and on mobile data. Then tap Mobile Service or Cellular Data. On the next screen, turn off the toggle beside Mobile Service or Cellular Data. Then, close the Settings app and lock the iPhone. Wait 10 to 15 seconds to reset the mobile data connection. Then, return to the mobile data settings and turn the toggle switch on. If turning off mobile data doesn't work, you should eject the SIM and reinstall it on your iPhone. If the problem remains, follow the fifth applicable solution: force restart iPhone. Most of the time, force restarting your iPhone can solve software glitches and more problems. Use the volume control and power buttons to force restart your iPhone. Let's see how to do it. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then, press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side power button until the Apple logo appears. During this process, ignore the power slider and continue to press the side button. Once your iPhone turns back on, unlock it and check if the problem is solved. If your hotspot is missing, follow the sixth convenient solution: reset network setting. This process removes all your preferred networks, passwords, and VPN settings. Here's how to perform the steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, swipe up and tap on General. On the General Settings page, swipe to the bottom and select the Transfer and Reset option. Then, tap on the Reset option. You can see multiple options here. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Here, your iPhone may show an enter passcode screen. So, enter your iPhone's lock screen passcode. Again, tap on Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will restart automatically. That's it. If this fails, you must try the 7th appropriate solution to update your iOS version. It is important to ensure that your iPhone is running on the latest software update to fix bugs that cause personal hotspots to malfunction. To do this, launch the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on General. Then, select Software Update. Wait for a few moments until your device checks for an update. If an update is available, tap on the Update Now option to download and install the latest version of iOS. Here, enter your iPhone's lock screen passcode to continue the process. The software update may take some time to complete. If your iPhone is up to date, then jump to the next solution. If the personal hotspot is still unavailable after updating your iPhone, you can try the 8th suitable solution. Reset APN settings. Doing this will reset all network-related settings on your iPhone. This option might only be available for some carrier companies or regions. Let's follow the steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, select the Cellular or Mobile Service option. Then, go to Cellular Data Network and tap on Reset Settings. If prompted, select the Reset option to confirm. That's it. If resetting your APN settings doesn't work, you can try the 9th relevant solution. Change the personal hotspot password and try again. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Personal Hotspot. Then, tap on the Wi-Fi password option. Create a new password containing at least 8 characters using a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, digits, and punctuation marks. Changing the Wi-Fi password will disconnect the devices that are currently connected. Turn on Wi-Fi on other devices and try to connect with your mobile hotspot. If there is a problem with the network settings and you want to reset them, tap the settings icon next to the hotspot name and select the Forget option. Turn off and on the Wi-Fi toggle and try to connect to the personal hotspot. That's it. If you still cannot connect to the hotspot, follow the 10th advantageous solution. Reset all settings on your iPhone. This process restores all iPhone settings to their default state, and your Apple Pay cards will be removed. To do this, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Then select Transfer and Reset. Tap on Reset and then choose Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone's lock screen passcode. Your iPhone shows a pop-up to confirm that you have reset all settings. Tap on it. If none of the previous solutions work, seek assistance from an Apple support expert or visit a service center for additional diagnosis and assistance. Check the website link in the video description. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.